Buffalo wings? You know, they actually come from chickens. And the city that made them a worldwide sensation? That would be Buffalo, New York. Legend has it that one night in 1964, Teresa Bellissimo had to whip up a late-night snack at her family's business, the Anchor Bar. So she grabbed some chicken wings, normally used for soup or even thrown out, fried them, dressed them in hot sauce and butter, and served them up. And they were good. Really good. Restaurants serving wings started popping up all over town. And the rest, as they say, is history. Now Buffalo wings, aka hot wings, aka chicken wings, or as we say in Buffalo, wings, are enjoyed everywhere, and a flavor has become synonymous with a city. We're so proud of our contribution to world cuisine that we like to invite wing lovers to make a gastronomic pilgrimage to Buffalo, to the places with traditional wings, and blue cheese wings, and South Buffalo wings, and beef on weck wings, and double dip wings, and peanut butter and jelly wings, and Sicilian wings, and very, very hot wings, and always, always rich, creamy ranch dressing. Just kidding. We never have wings with ranch in Buffalo. Blue cheese. Along the way, you're bound to meet some of Buffalo Wings' best friends, and maybe even make some new ones of your own. So come see us. The Buffalo Wing Trail is here for you to discover. Because if wings are one of your favorite foods, Buffalo is going to be one of your favorite places.